make you my temperature dey rise. If you leave me, I go die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Loving the thought of me, I am so obsessed.